Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a really cool topic. We'll be reviewing some Python and Pygame code. The goal of this code is to draw a tile map. This is a fundamental part of many 2D games. Think of games like Stardew Valley or classic Zelda. They all use tile maps. We'll look at how the code works. Then we'll suggest some simple ways to make it even better. Let's start by thinking about the tile map data itself. Most likely, the code uses a list of lists. This is a common way to store map data. Each inner list represents a row on the map. Each number within that list represents a specific tile type. For example, A0 might mean grass. A1 could mean water. This structure is very effective for defining your game world. Next, the code needs to load the actual tile images. It probably loads each image file separately. Things like pygame.image.load, grass.png are common. These loaded images are then stored somewhere. A list can work, but a dictionary is often better. You can map the tile number, like 0 for grass, directly to its Pygame surface object. This makes fetching the correct image very easy later on. Now, for the drawing part. This is where the tile map appears on the screen. The code almost certainly uses nested for loops. One loop iterates through the rows of your map data. The other loop iterates through the columns within each row. Inside these loops, the code does a few key things. It gets the current tile's type from your map data. Then it uses that type to find the correct image. It calculates the screen position for that tile. This is usually column_index tile_width for the x-coordinate and row_index tile_height for the y-coordinate. Finally, screen.blit is called to draw the tile image at its calculated position. This process repeats for every tile, building up the entire map. Here are some points for improving this code. First, consider using a tile class. For more complex games, a class can hold more than just an image. It could store properties like is_walkable or damage_value. This keeps your game logic clean. Second, centralize your tile data. Load all tile images and properties once at the start. Store them in a single, easy-to-access dictionary or list. This avoids reloading and makes management simpler. Third, think about readability. Add comments to explain complex parts. Use clear variable names. Tile_size is much better than TS. This makes your code easier for others, and future you, to understand. Fourth, add some basic error handling. What if your map data contains a tile ID that doesn't exist? The code should not crash. It could draw a default error tile. Or it could print a warning message. This makes your game more robust. Fifth, for very large maps, you might only draw tiles that are currently visible on the screen. This is an optimization. For smaller maps, drawing everything is usually fine. But it's good to keep in mind for future projects. Finally, consider wrapping all the tilemap logic into a tilemap class. This class could handle loading the map data, storing the tiles, and drawing itself. This is excellent for larger projects and better code organization. That wraps up our code review for drawing a tile map using Python and Pygame. We've explored the common steps. We also found several ways to make the code more robust and readable. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Python and Pygame tutorials and code reviews. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.